Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. This is your host Mr. Singh. Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. Plug. Well, we had a roller coaster week, folks. Roller coaster weeks all the way of high of $3.48 and a low of $2.98. What's going with Plug Power? I have a lot to cover today, so don't go anywhere. Why I'm a big time bull with Plug Power and why I'm interested and have never given up even the highs and lows with that. I've seen the ups and downs with Plug Power, but this is a beautiful time why I'm so interested and I'm still invested on Plug Power. Plug Power is still on the bleeding edge. What does it mean by this? Plug Power promises a strategic shift towards profitability and shareholder rewards in hydrogen fuel evolution. The company have finally started production in Georgia plant and reopened the Tennessee plant to help a drastically cut costs from supplying of hydrogen fuel to customers via to the third party. The stock isn't appealing even at a $3 due to the bleeding edge nature of the business and trying to build up the hydrogen market with the money of losing contracts and minimal cost optimization. I am the Mark Holder, aka the Fox Capital, with a CPA degree. So this is a guy who kind of gained a breakdown on what's going on Plug Power. Well, also on Plug Power, where where Plug Power stands with the analysis. In past 3 months, 17 analysts have published the ratings for Plug Power, offering a device range and perspective from bullish to the bearish. Well, you can clearly see that the total ratings on right here in the segment of 1 month to that on the bear rating and the bull rating 8 to 3, and kind of skipping through. If the closest price right here, the green dot is a street high of 90 days, and all the way to all the way low over here is the low. So somewhere around you're looking at is the $5 range, and average rating in between for Plug Power. Definitely is a double digit stock. So kind of breakdown, I wanted to share with you guys kind of breakdown on key technical analysis and where I have taken it. The rating of sell of target of $2 and the price target is $3, and where is buy, it's a current rate at right price $8.50 when it's 9. So a lot of mixed feelings on analysis and saying it. A lot of sell, buy, underweight, outperform, buy, hold, neutral, buy, neutral, sector underperformed, underweight, buy, neutral, underperform. So a lot of like a mixed feeling in between of a buy and hold, such and also in the neutral phase. But you can clearly see the price difference between on these stocks. Absolutely, I am still bullish. Why? Uh, Plug Power is a double-digit stock. Plug Power is building an end-to-end green hydrogen system with the production and shortage of delivery energy generation. The company plans to build and operate a green energy highways across the North America to Europe, and Plug will deliver its green hydrogen solution directly to its customers with the joint venture partners into multiple markets, including the material, e-mobility, power generation, and industrial application. So diving into Plug Power's capitalization, the company experienced a lower market of capitalization profile, positioning itself below the industry average. This suggests a smaller scale to relative to its peers. The revenue growth of Plug Power over the 3 month period has been noteworthy. As December of 2023, the company achieved a revenue rate of approximately 0.64%, and this indicates a substantial increase in company's top line earnings in comparison to its industry peers, and the company trails behind the growth rate lower than the average among the peers in the industrial sector. The net margin, the Plug Power's net margin is below the industrial standards and points towards a difficulties in achieving strong profitability with the net margin of negative 289.16%. The company encountered the challenges of effective cost control. And we know how they have a plan to reduce a $75 million cost on that. We knew the energy DOE of a $175 million a loan incentives given out as well. So something to keep an eye, because once the Plug Power is profitability, we're definitely going to see some headways making towards that. Well, without further ado, let's talk on the technical side. What do we have the week coming up? Absolutely a roller coaster week with Plug Power. We're going to shift the gear to the 1 month because this is about to be some dicey and some interesting key levels are coming in. And absolutely, we saw the range we were trading between $3.25 and all the way to the $3.05. What are the key thing? Well, this one is going to be changed into a resistance level, unfortunately, if you're a bull, because this level, and I have to kind of fix my graph a little bit, you can see it. So why is that? Because we couldn't break it. And the reason behind it, because the two moving average, which is my 60-day sitting at $3.25, and whereas $3.10 is the 60-day moving average, whereas the blue line is sitting at $3.19, and we are trading at $3.14. A big gap, a little bit of gap between on those two moving averages, but we are trading sideways, which kind of okay right at the moment. What does it mean okay? And you must be wondering, because we went lows when we came to our loading zone, which was $2.83. We had a high of $4.33. Now we are approaching to our loading zone. We have approached to our loading zone, but we didn't see a lot of volume. The volume did pick up. You can clearly see that right at $2.90. And volume predicts price, folks. When we had $2.98, you can clearly see that buyers have stepped up. So below a $3, definitely a buyers are lingering around to see if we can move this price higher highs and higher lows. Because right now on the 6-month chart, you can clearly see that the first in between was $4.98 and $3.25. But now every time we broke below $3, our buyers have stepped up and pushed it, and as soon as we have seen we are approaching to that level. Last time came at $2.83, and we pushed that back high. So the key levels absolutely $3.05, and my next one is $2.83, and all the way to $2.18 are the three support level. Where I will be adding my shares is definitely is gonna be around a $2.83. I know some of you guys don't want to hear that, but this is my plan to load up shares. But keep an eye on those two moving average. Has been kind of tagging along side by side, and every time it does that, it's indication of a most kind of settling. This is a settled area for Plug Power. Roughly between around at $3.50 is below. It's where it's usually Plug Power kind of settles right now. Because if I shift the gear all the way to 1 year, and I want to show you what does it mean by that. I want to shift it so we have a better understanding on that. Kind of fix the chart as well. Let's go. Well, I gotta shift it more on that because I want you guys to have a clear picture what we are looking. Remember these days, right, when we have all the way when we were sitting at $16 level, $20 level, and right here. Now it is come all the way right back when we were at I don't remember trading over here, so I can say we were around in 2020 we were sitting right around at if I can fix it right here, so right around at $6 $1.88 to between $2.50 was right up here, and then we make high of $75, but now we've been trading below, but we are approaching to a level where it becomes a beautiful loading zone area. In terms of Plug Power, I am big time bull on Plug Power. I definitely believe this stock should be a double digits, absolutely over $50, but profitability is key. A company cannot be profitable enough. It's not hard. It's hard to sustain for the growth and to hang in the market. And slowly the profitability is there. Definitely the Q1 plays a big part for Plug Power moving forward on that. Folks, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. If you're interested to get anything updated and the instant update so you don't miss anything out, please go ahead and check out my membership on that on the Plug Power. It's on the link in the YouTube, so go ahead and subscribe if you're interested. It comes a lot of pics about it. Any questions you have, any technical analysis you wanted, I can share with you guys on the membership thing. But it's all up to you. I'm still gonna provide the videos and share with that. But if you were looking for more depth on it, please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button as well. But go check out that membership. I'm getting a lot of good feedbacks of people are kind of dig dive with that I'm sharing with them on the plug power. Usually my videos are 10 minutes or less. Try to keep it as low as I can. But this is all about plug power right now. I'm very excited what I'm seeing right now, but definitely not the stock price right now. But just hanging there, folks, hanging there. Our time will come. Thank you.